Welcome to All About That Base. My name is Justin, and I'm hoping to share with you some really useful and informative Airtable information today. This is the premiere episode of this series, and I'll warn you right now, it's going to be a bit rough, it's going to be a bit loose, but that's okay. I'm not about perfection. I'm trying to get the information you need out to you as quickly as possible. There have been far too many delays already getting this series off the ground. I want to start this off right and just go straight to the point. So the point of today is to talk very briefly about copying field types from one field to another, field setup information basically. And that's probably the biggest reminder or pointer to make right there. This is going to happen during the setup phase of your database. You're not going to want to do this while you've got data already in this stuff, because you will be copying actual data from field to field if you do this. So keep your fields blank. You want to start with a pretty much blank slate for all this stuff. So in the example here, I've got a source field that has a bunch of different properties here: apple, pear, comet, dog, and a multiple select. What I want to do is copy all that stuff over to a series of destination fields. Now I can do that one field at a time. If I just click on the field header out here, I'm using my hotkeys down here, so Command C on the Mac copies that in. Now all I do is click on the header for the destination field and Command V to paste that in, and it pastes in all of that information. So it changes the type, adds all the options in there, and it's beautiful. Now I'm going to undo that. This also works across multiple fields. So I can choose the first destination field there, shift click to add my final one. The entire range there is selected. Now I can Command V and they all change. So they all have the same properties in there, you can see right through here. So this is great for taking one field type. Now notice the names didn't change, only the field types and the field type data tied to those types. So that's one cool thing about this process here, is that the names all stay intact as you have them. Now be aware, this only works for certain types of fields. I have not tested every single field type there is, so be aware that some field types won't copy and paste over like this, but several will. Anyway, that's about it for this time. This first quick tip for All About That Base. Hope it's useful for you, and stay tuned for more. I'm going to try and get these out on a more regular basis here. Anyway, thanks for being here, and we'll see you in the next one.